Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore long-term disability claim process with Guardian, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant documentation related to your long-term disability claim with Guardian. This includes any letters, forms, medical records, and notes from healthcare providers. Next, carefully review the initial denial letter or the letter outlining the issues with your claim. Identify the specific reasons given by Guardian for the denial. Consult your policy document to understand your coverage and the criteria for eligibility. Reach out to your healthcare provider for updated medical information supporting your condition. Request a detailed statement or report from them, emphasizing how your condition affects your ability to work. Once you have gathered all necessary documentation, draft a formal appeal letter to Guardian. In your letter, clearly state your intent to appeal the decision. Reference the specific reasons for the denial and counter them with evidence from your medical records. Include any new information that may have come to light since your initial claim. Make copies of everything you send, including the appeal letter and supporting documents. Send your appeal via certified mail to ensure you have a record of its delivery. Keep track of any correspondence from Guardian regarding your appeal. Follow up with Guardian if you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, typically 30 days. Be prepared to provide additional documentation if requested by Guardian during the review process. Once you receive a decision on your appeal, review it carefully. If the appeal is successful, keep detailed records of the approval process. If the claim is still denied, consider consulting with an attorney who specializes in disability claims. They can provide guidance on further steps, including the possibility of filing a lawsuit if appropriate. Stay organized and proactive throughout this process to ensure the best chance of success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.